Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the future of home cleaning with Amazon's best iRobot vacuums. Get ready to witness the revolution in smart cleaning technology. From the sleek and powerful iRobot Roomba to the versatile and smart roborocks too. These robotic marvels redefine the way we keep our homes spotless. The Shark ECOVACS stands out with its self-emptying base, room mapping, and powerful suction. It's an excellent choice for those who prioritize convenience and performance. The Neato robotics boasts laser mapping, powerful suction, and virtual no-go zones for efficient and customized cleaning, perfect for users with specific cleaning preferences. The ECOVACS Debut Pro offers versatile cleaning with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping. It's equipped with advanced features like object recognition and customizable cleaning routines. The roborock stands out for its advanced mopping capabilities, sonic vibration technology, and precise navigation, ideal for users who want both vacuuming and mopping in one device. The iRobot Roomba excels with its self-emptying dustbin, smart mapping technology, and powerful cleaning capabilities. It's a top choice for those seeking hands-free vacuuming.